Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout to play along with my exquisite Mercy Tiara kits. This kit, well, I have all kinds of things. I've got the Adventures Awaits kit, main kit. I've got the cardstock add-on, the embellishment kit, the travel add-on. I've got the themes. And I have all of the papers from the travel add-on as well as the main kit here. I've got the cardstock add-on. Over on this side, oh my goodness, I have got the Joyful Notes. This is an add-on that you can find on the website. This was part of the travel add-on. Y'all, there are themes in this kit. I mean, I literally have four ephemera / embellishment packs. I have brads. I've got puffies. I have got alphas. 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I guess this could be a 12 by 12 depending on how you think. So I've got all kinds of things, guys, and I am a smitten kitten. Now, there's a big travel element in both, of course, the travel add-on, as well as, there's a couple papers that can be travel or not travel. Die Hotting reminded me of this photo. I don't know why. This is my son, and he was on Tybee Island in Burnville Coffee Shop. That's it. And my son, his fiance, and my daughter went down yonder. Okay, was it Tybee? I think it's Tybee he went. Yes, because it's called Tybee. Get it? Okay, so I'll go ahead and mat that in some white cardstock. And we've got this gorgeous avalanche cardstock in our kit. Voila, that will get done. Now, what I want to do with my very first layout is I want to create with this sketch. This is a sketch of the month. It's from the creative scrapper. Christine Davidson created this sketch and allowed us to use it this month. That's in the newsletter. So we have got background, photo, and in this case, my son is facing this way, so I just do opposite day. The photo will be here with the title, and yeah, it just can be flippy floppy. It's fine. But we've got these gorgeous bits here, guys, and that's where having something like a paper pad comes in handy, because I can grab all of these different things. I would love to use this, but they drove. I can use all kinds of different patterns and have them right here without cutting into my 12 by 12s. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have all of that. Now, there are so many things I want to use, so I better pick my background. Now, he's on this turquoise, or in front of a turquoisey building. And we have one of my favorite colors of basil called patina. I mean, is it meant to be? I think so. So I'll have that for the background. I would like to find a pattern that I'd like to use to map my photo, though. Now, I want that for cut-aparts. I love the tickets. Wait, there's a really good diagonal stripe in our treasures. And it's the one that I want for another layout. Oh, isn't it exquisite? Okay, I'm figuring it out, guys. I'm trying to pick. Here's another diagonal stripe, but it's bringing in this cream color. Let's see if this can vibe. Oh, we can make it vibe. We can make it vibe. Okay, if I had this, and I had it around here. I'm just deciding. I don't know. All right, so long and short of it is. Wow, I really like that. I super like that. Maybe. So I just have to decide which one I want for my background. Not a big deal. This is pretty cool too. Okay, I really like that. We can see a bunch of different colors all the way around the outside. So I'm going to use this one. This is from American Crafts Coast to Coast. It's called Out and About. So I have that, and I'll of course gut it because I hate wasting this gorgeous paper. The next thing I'm going to do is choose some pattern papers to be like those 2x2 squares. And they're going to be on their side. Okay, this one, perfection. They're on an island. So we have that. What else? Not the airplane. I do like this with the sunglasses. He's wearing sunnies. So we definitely have that as a contender. They didn't do taxi. I think, yeah, because they just drove a vehicle. The flowers are ish for it. I do love that. Look at how fun that is. Oh my word. So maybe that, because it's kind of cool that it has all kinds of license plate stuff, and they drove. That's kind of cool too, with the maps and all the activities. But I need colors to be a little different from one another. It's true. All right. So I have lots of patterns chosen. Okay, I think I'm going with these and this. So let me get all of this juiciness to the side. I mean, I may go ahead and fussy cut pieces out. Who knows? We'll see. We will see. So what I want to do now is I'm going to cut some 2x2s. I'm going to mat this. That would be grand. I'm going to go ahead and put this on white cardstock to get rid of your glare. And guys, I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, so this is where my check-in time is. Now, I like my squares and I think it's super fun. I think I want to bring in more white. So I think I'm going to just go ahead, grab my sewing machine and sew around the squares. I need to pop my photo up to give it just a little zhuzh. I did mat my photo with the white like we talked about it. And then I'm going to scuff up all my little squares too, because when you're doing the island thing, it's a little scuffy, a little bumpy, a little whatevs. So I think that will totes work. Then just dropped some stickers. I just have to pick what my title will be. Will it be Travel Far and Wide? Or do I want to go with No Regrets, Journey Big, because it's the same blue? I don't know. Do I want to go with them all? Possibly. Okay, so I need to do a little homework behind the scenes because we want it to be cute. Oh, this one needs 4. Will it fit 4 on this strip? I don't know. And part of me was like, instead of having them super lined up like that, I low-key kind of liked that as well. And then, will I get in trouble from the boss? I don't know. But it's going to be okay. I really like it. I think it's super fun. Let me get my homework done. I'll meet you right back here. So let's figure out the title, and then I want to start tucking all of the things. I really like the way my background came out. I've got lots of little strings hanging. Didn't even trim them. A lot are stuck under. It's just how it all worked out. Now I can, when I'm done, scuff it up a little bit, give it just a little bit more life. I just don't know exactly, where embellishments and things are going to go. So we'll do that in a minute. But title. I mean, I'm on vacations pretty good. Now, our piece has a title going up here, depending on how big the title is. I can always shimmy it down just a little bit. I can do that too. We'll see. Now, I like this Are We There Yet? I could put this right underneath kind of for like a subtitle, but we'll see. So Ready, Jet, Go. I already said, Joy is in the journey. I don't know if he really enjoyed driving that far. Ooh, look at the mountainy one. Okay, I will just pick Travel Far and Wide. Maybe I'm on vacation. I like the big giant pop of white. So that's going to go right there. I'm not going to stick the whole thing down super tight in case I want to tuck anything under it. Are We There Yet? This is a life I think I'll put underneath it. But let me go through all of my embellishments, figure out what I want to pop around it, and I'll be back. All right, so I'm starting to stack things up from this sticker sheet because it is perfection for this. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put a nice little this scalloped banner underneath. Border, not banner. Thought I'd go ahead and pop that underneath because I thought it might be super cute to use as a bit of a shelf, because we don't have enough pattern going on. So let me go like that. Now I'm going to layer up all of the things. Boop. Save the rest of this because that'll be perfect for another layout. I'm going to stick these things down, keep hunting, and see what we come up with.
All right, y'all. I love these foam
with the like cardstock sticker overlay. So I think what I want to do is I want to put this sun above the photo, you know, looking like a sun. Now I'm going to have it partially on top of this I'm on vacation piece that's already foamy. So I have to go ahead and put a little dimensional adhesive behind part of it so that it sticks up properly and I get this great shadow from it. Now I also went ahead and put on that little geo tag, which is foamy as well, and it's looking fab. All right, guys, so I have these pieces on. Then I was like, how do I want to add some brightness? Because, you know, it's fairly, well, they're saturated colors. So I went through some of my treasures from the Pink Paisley ephemera, and I love these florals. And a lot of them have the same color story. So can't say no to that. So what I think I'm going to do is add a few of them, and that's going to bring in yet more of that gorgeous metallic and build up a little something something with them. Now this one is kind of plain, but I want to fussy cut him out. I want him as part of that cluster. I think that would be super cute. And then I want to have, I'm going to cut a little bit of the white off of there just because I want to be able to bend up some of the pieces. And I think I will have some of this floral come down this way. Let's see. Ooh. Or do I want that one up there? No. What do I want? I want to use everything all at once because it's a new kit. So that's what I want. In case anybody wondered what I wanted. Ooh, I like that one over there. I can pop this one up in a second. Now, this right here with the pink, I'm not trying to bring in the pink, so if I did use it, I would have covered it. But I think I'm doing okay with all of my colors. Let me bring in more of this kind of buttery colored one, because I like the idea of them being on this diagonal. You know how we have these squares on the diagonal? It's working for me. It is working. I can go like 3 like that. That pleases me. Now, the last thing I want to check before I do a little bit of the fussy cut action is to see, okay, yep. So I definitely love this, and I'm going to do a tiny bit of covering of that pink. I think. I mean, if a tiny bit of pink shows, that's fine. I just don't want it to be like the star of the show. So we have that. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in around my clusters just a couple of my little confetti pieces, and I'm going to come back and show you my finished layout. So guys, the last thing I wanted to do, I have some of my cute little confetti mix on, my florals are on, but I do want to do a few little white splatty bits around my flowers because I don't know why. I love using Shimmer's paints, and Color Splash White's Other Eyes is my favorite, to the point, look at what I've done to it from using it so often. It's gross now. So let me go ahead and get the little nozzle off. Guys, I have used the heck out of this, which is good. That's what we want to do with our supplies. So it's a nice bright white. It's going to bring a little bit more white again, like I talked about. I'm feeling white lately. I don't know what's going on with that. I am liking that pop of brightness with all the saturation. So I'm going to go ahead, boop, boop, boop. Let me get some on the flowers as well. Guys, this is going to be done. So I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these treasures. Come see us on the Facebook group, see what all the designers are doing, fellow subbies are doing, all that kind of stuff. So you can get inspired. We love to get inspired by the subbies too, because I think it is fabulous for us all to share what we're up to. Okay, guys. I'm just going to finish this up. I'm going to have a few still shots to follow, and I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.